In this video, I will be giving you a review of the new Video Overviews feature in NotebookLM. Let's get started. I'll start on my dashboard where my featured notebooks are already listed. To dive into the details of this update, I'm opening up this article about the latest video capabilities. It's a significant addition that transforms how we interact with our sources. As I scroll down through the post, I'll close this quick pop-up so we can focus on the new studio options. There it is. The Video Overview button is now available right alongside Audio Overviews and Mind Maps. I love that I can customize exactly what the AI host focuses on, whether it's a specific use case or a unique show structure. I'm highlighting some feedback here about the slide design, which is impressively clean and professional. Let's open this sample video about college graduates to see the actual output. The AI uses smart visual metaphors, like this latter illustration, to tell the story clearly and effectively. This is going to be incredibly useful for teachers and creators who need to turn complex notes into engaging videos in just a few minutes. Since you can download the final MP4, you have the flexibility to edit it further in your favorite video tools. Overall, it's a powerful step forward for the platform and makes your research much more accessible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.